Obviously, you're gonna need a can of Spam. Nice, even slices. Go ahead, put it in the pan and cook them up. You want to let these cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add Aloha Shoyu DaYaki sauce directly to the pan as a glaze so the sauce cooks into the Spam. Whatever glaze you use, you want to make sure that the pieces of Spam are evenly coated. As your glaze starts to thicken up, you want to make sure you continue to flip the Spam so it doesn't get overcooked on one side. Now for these, I'm also going to add some scrambled egg. I have my pan on a medium temperature, plenty of butter in there, and I'm gonna let it cook like I'm making an omelet with nothing in the center. Flip it over to cook the other side, and I'm just about ready. I'm using my Musubi mold to cut the egg so that I know it's the same size as the rest of the Musubi. Now it's time to assemble. So I have my nori laid out right there. I start with rice. You can start however you like. This is just my process. I like to add furikake directly to the rice right on top. Some people mix it with all of their rice. I just sprinkle some on top. Now I put in one piece of the egg. And now, time for the Spam. Go ahead and press it down. Now it's time to finish up this Musubi. You want to be gentle with the nori because if you're using hot rice, it's going to get softer and you definitely don't want to tear it before you get a chance to eat it. And there you have it, a nice, easy snack. Now, I'm going to get a little bit nuts and make some jumbos. I'm the type that likes a little bit extra Spam, so I made this one with 2 pieces and the egg in the middle. This one was the monster. 2 Spams, 2 eggs. I was obviously hungry when I was making these. My nori wasn't even big enough to wrap around the whole thing. It barely stuck in there. But you know what? It was delicious.